So I am Payal Maheshwari. I'm the CFO at VFin Solutions Limited. Basically, what we do is we provide a transaction banking platform. So it's a tech company. We provide it to banks and financial institutions in India and globally. VFin has its flagship product of supply chain finance, and we are expanding our horizon to providing all other platforms that are required for a bank from a transaction banking. So we started with assisting in preparation of our results and TB assurances. And I think that was the very first assignment that we started, after which we are now working on multiple assignments. So Contetra is right now our go-to person. So we don't feel that Contetra is someone, an external consultant for me. For me, it's an in-house team now. So for anything, so right from our merger accounting to our results to our MIS, so for anything and everything, Sai is now my go-to person. So we've worked with multiple other topmost CA firms, okay, for a lot of services. So when it comes to, especially to FAS, to financial advisory services, I think Contetra has been the number one for me. And as a CFO, I look out for some stability. I mean, a vendor wherein I can, work long term. That's where now I see contact with Contetra. So in terms of understanding the business, we have a very, very complex structure right now. So understanding the entire structure, the business, the accounting, and also, giving some expert advices with respect to improvisation, all of that it's like 10 on 10. I'm very happy. We never felt that it's an external team. The entire team has worked as if it was an internal team. We were all one. So while we left at probably 11 or 12, but Contetra team was sitting in our office till 5 in the morning also. There have been days where they've stretched. So we've been very unreal with some deadlines in terms of our results or any, we get a date from the management, and expectation is set by the management that, okay, this is what we want. And when I get on a call with Sai and Yash, and Sai, they always tell me that, yeah, this is a very ambitious date, but if you are the client, if you give us this date, we will work. So on very tight deadlines also, team has worked with a smile on the face, not complained much, and yes, delivered on time and always available. The entire team. So there are two teams we are working simultaneously with. One is for our results and the accounting team, and one is for the MIS also. And we're putting in some automation, bringing some automation into our team. So at both places, the team has been extremely proactive, following up with the team, understanding all the requirements, and yeah, I'm happy as well. So I got to know about Contetra from two different sources. I had initially had a meeting with Sai through Practice. I know Practice. I know the founders of Practice back when I was practicing. So I had got on a call with Sai through Practice to engage in an accounting services at that point of time. However, it did not materialize due to the costing. And later on, I was introduced again to Sai through one of our promoter, Gautam Adani. So there is a common friend and who knew Sai also, and that was how we were introduced again. And I think at that point of time is when we started with the engagement. Then I would rate Contetra above all the big fours also when it comes to FAS. And there is a good senior management that is there to guide from the technical expertise point of view. So yeah, I am kind of happy and I will definitely write.